And these Tea Partiers, as willing conspirators with their so-called leadership, have enacted on a plan to dismantle the American government. And in the process, we have lost our moral compass. We're talking about the debt ceiling now instead of jobs, and what's happening to the shifting income from poor and middle class people to the extreme upper class. We're not talking about jobs. We're talking about a debt ceiling. And what these Republican Tea Partiers are doing is digging a hole down in the basement so deep that there certainly is no semblance of a safety net down there.